Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to download Landsat 8 satellite image from United States Geological Survey. This tutorial is produced by Land Reality TV, a channel that is dedicated to promoting GIS and remote sensing, land administration research across the globe. So if you want to see this kind of videos and the mission and the vision of this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's kickstart. Go to your Google Chrome. As it is open, tap the website Earth Explorer. This is the interface. First of all, to register to use this website, you need to have an account with them. So you need to open an account with them, and then you sign in and log in, as I have done. And this is the interface: search criteria, dataset, additional criteria, results. So if you have a KML boundary shape file of the area, you can upload it here, or you can tap the area here, Greater. So I'm interested in Greater Accra region of Ghana. Greater Accra region. Click enter, and then click on the area, and this is it. So let's zoom into the area of interest. You see, this is Accra, the capital town of Ghana. These are neighborhood. So let me scroll down. It's such a big town. Scroll down. Such a big, massive town. This is the town. Okay. Then we can now find out the date in which we want for the image. For example, there's 1st January 2017. 2017. It's okay. 1st January 2017. You come here. December 31st, 2018. Click data. These are the various data sets that are available for download. So we are interested in Landsat 8 satellite image. So you click this. Click level Landsat collection 1 level 1. Click Landsat 8. Additional requirements: land cloud cover less than 10%, scene cloud cover less than 10%. Then click on results. These are the images that has been displayed. Let's see the show footprint, show browse overlay, and then compare browse. Then let's show the footprint. Let's see whether here there are few clouds in the image. Let's check the others to see whether they are clearer. Click on here. Yeah, this seems to be more clearer, but let's check the last one too to see which one is more clearer. Okay, this one is perfect. The cloud cover is perfect. There's nothing like cloud here, so we can pick this. Then you hit your download button. It's a level 1 GeoTIFF data product. We will download it in GeoTIFF format, which is 837.7 megabytes. Then you hit download. Yes, your data is being downloaded. After it is downloaded, you now unzip it and either visualize it in Quantum GIS, ArcMap, or Airbus. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see more of this kind of videos in promoting GIS and land administration, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.